pleased to show you the 2009 Lincoln MKS. With standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade, the Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, xenon headlights, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, front-wheel drive, power steering, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, fog lamps. Come see the car for yourself.